Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you are fine at your home and are studying well. Yes, which lesson we were studying? We were studying about the lesson nervous system. Yes, till now what are the things we have studied? First we have studied the definition of a nervous system, and the nervous system, it is made up of three parts. Yes, the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Okay, then we have studied the parts of a brain. Yes, there are three main parts of a brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, cerebellum and medulla. These are the three main parts of a brain. The next one we have studied about the spinal cord and the nerves. There are three main types of nerves are there: sensory nerves and motor nerves and mixed nerves. And next we have studied the concept of reflex action. So in the previous video class we studied about the sense organs. There are total, we are having 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs, and we have studied about the eyes in detail. Yes dear students, this diagram, parts of an eye, this diagram is very important. Yes, they have given here these parts of an eye. It is a very important diagram. You have to practice this diagram in your science diagram book. Make practice of this diagram. The next, today we will study about the next sense organ, that is ears. Yes dear students, how many ears we are having? We are having 2 ears. Okay, we are having 2 ears. Then what is the function of ear? Yes, we hear the sound with the help of ears. We will hear the sound here. Whatever the sound will come in our surrounding, that all the sound are heard by our ears. We use our ears to hear and identify different sounds. Then what is the function of ears? They will hear and they will identify the different sounds here. The ear has 3 main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. How many main parts are there in a ear? There are 3 main parts of a ear. There are 3 main parts of a ear. Outer ear, the first part is the outer ear. The second part is the middle ear. The third part is the inner ear. Okay, these are the 3 main parts of ears. Ear also help in maintaining balance of our body. See dear students, another function of ear, it also help in maintaining balance of our body. Nam body balance igneಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, so even ear also help to balance our body. The point what they are telling here, the ear also helps to balance our body. Sound waves travel into the ear canal and reach the eardrum. Yes, they have given here, you can see. First sound, from where it will travel? The sound waves travel into a ear canal and reach the eardrum with the help of the canal. Yes, this is the ear canal. Can you see this one? Yes, it is a ear canal. Like a pipe, like a structure it is. So the sound will travel from this part here. Okay, here from here the ear sound will travel here, and where it will reach? It will reach the eardrum. Where is eardrum? Yes, the eardrum is here. You can see the eardrum. Yes, can you see here? This is the eardrum. And sound will come from here. Illinda sound barutte. Okay, here the arrow mark I done. This is the ear canal we call. What is the ear canal? Yes, here is the ear canal. The sound will come here. The sound comes from here. Okay, the sound will come from here. With the help of this eardrum, the sound will enter here. Then it will reach to where? It will reach to this eardrum. Can you see this shape? Yes, this is the eardrum it is. Yes, the sound will reach the eardrum. The next what happens? The eardrum passes the sound waves in the form of a vibration through the middle ear into the inner ear. Then the sound is passed. Then from the eardrum, the sound is passed from where? From the middle ear. From the middle ear, it is passed to the inner ear. Inside the inner ear, there are thousands of tiny hair cells. What are there inside the inner ear? There are thousands of tiny hair cells. Nothing but thousands of hair cells are present inside the inner ear. These hair cells change the vibration into electric signals that are sent to the brain through the hearing nerves. Then the sound is passed to the where? To the brain with the help of the hearing nerves. With the help of the hearing nerves, the sound is passed to the brain. The brain then tells that you are hearing the sound, and what's that sound? Then the brain will tell that yes, you are hearing some sound. Okay, then what is that sound? It will reply to you. Okay, this is all about the function of a ear, how it works. First, the sound is sent with the help of the ear canal, then it will reach to the eardrum, then with the help of the eardrum, okay, the next with the help of the middle ear, the sound is passed to the inner ear. Then from the inner ear, it will reach to the where? It will reach to the hair cells here, the tiny hair cells. The hair cells, they will change the vibration into electric signals. With the help of the hearing nerve, then it is reached to where? It is reached to the brain. Then the brain will tell us that you are hearing some sound. Then what is that sound also? It will identify. The brain will identify which sound you are hearing. This is the function of the ear, how it works. And the diagram also they have given here. Okay. This is the human ear. This is the diagram of a human ear. So let us see the next part here. Care of ears. Yes, dear students, how we have to take care of our ears. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Some of the points they are given here. Okay, the first point you see, do not clean ears with sharp objects. Yes, you all will be having a habit that to clean the ears with the sharp objects. So you should not have that habit here. Don't use any sharp objects. ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಟ್ಟು ಚೂಪಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ವಸ್ತುವಿಂದ ಕಿವಿನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, you have to take any soft thing here to clean your ears. Better you have to use earbuds. Yes, in a medical shops you will get the earbuds. You can use that earbuds to clean your ears. So the first point, which is the first point here, do not clean ears with the sharp objects. Okay, then instead of sharp objects you use here earbuds. Okay, because ears are very sensitive. Okay, you should take care of your ears very neatly. Next point, listen to music on a low volume. Yes, you will be having the habit of listening to music. Yes, everyone likes to listen the music, but how you have to listen the music here? With a low volume. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಗಳನ್ನ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಲೋ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸೊ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಲೋ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. Don't use a high volume because it will damage your ears. So you have to take care of your ears. Ears are one of the very important organ, sense organ. The next one, overuse of earplugs can cause harm to our ears. Nothing but earplugs are nothing but earphones. Yes, everyone will be having habit of using earphones. Okay, you should not use more here. how much it is required, that much you can use. Don't overuse that ear plugs. Nothing but they will cause a harm to your ears. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸೌಂಡನ್ನು ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. Keep the ears clean and dry. Always you have to keep your ears clean and dry. It should be dry, not a wet. Okay, you have to clean your ears with the earbuds. ಇಯರ್ಬಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಅವು ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆ ಇಯರ್ಬಡ್ಸನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರೈ. ಇಯರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈ. So dear students, this is all about the sense organ ears we have studied today. So go through this concept. If you get any doubt, you can contact me. Till that, study well. In the next video class, again we'll continue with this lesson. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day. Bye.